Next question, question number 19. And your question number 19 is related to the story of question number 18 too. In question number 19, it is asked that what is the speed of the electron, or you have to find out at what speed the electron is revolving around the nucleus. So, in question number 18, we found that force between this proton and electron. After calculating this, we obtained that this value is 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 Newton. After calculating this much, we get the force between proton and electron is 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 Newton. So, if you find here, this electron, due to this electrostatic force, will come or will move towards the proton, and also due to this force, same amount of force is also acting on proton also, and proton will also move towards the electron. But we know that when an electron moves in an orbit, it does not move towards the proton, or nor the proton moves towards the electron. Obviously, there is a balancing force which is not allowing the electron to move towards the proton. And this balancing force which is resisting the electron to move towards the proton is centrifugal force. Electron is experiencing a force here which we have calculated in question number 18, that this force is 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 Newton. Even the electron is having this much force towards the proton, what we see that practically the electron do not move towards the proton. So there must be some force which is balancing this attractive force, and that force is centrifugal force. And the value of that centrifugal force, which we have learned in class 11, in a circular orbit, when a mass m moves in a circular orbit, it experiences a centrifugal force which is away from the center, and the value of that centrifugal force is mv square by r. And this centrifugal force is countering this electrostatic attractive force. This centrifugal force which is being observed by this electron is counterbalancing the electrostatic attractive force, and that electrostatic attractive force we calculated in last question, that is question number 8, that this is equal to 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now for question number 19, we obtained this equation, and from this equation we have to find the value of V. Rest m and r is known to me. M is the mass of an electron. M is the mass of an electron, and as we we know the mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg into V square divided by R. Your R is 0.53 into 10 to the power minus 10. This is equal to 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 8. So your V square is equal to 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 0.53 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. This is the value of V square. And so V is equal to, इधर फोकस कर रहे हो? हाथ हिला रहे हो. So your V is equal to square root of 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 0.53 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. This is meter per second. So you calculate this amount and inform me your result in your group. So question number 19, the speed of the electron is asked, and the speed of electron which we found is square root of 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 0.53 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. So calculate very carefully and you will get the answer.